be a tag dag.
Your belt's upside down.
No, it's not. I don't wear upside down belts because I'm smart.
You know which way to put them on?
Yes.
Yes.
Hey everyone, this is part 3 of the model training. We want to thank you.
It's going to be part 5.
This is part 5.
Yeah, I'm Tarantinoing.
Oh my God. So thank you all for your lovely comments on the last ones that we've put up. It's awesome to see that you guys are enjoying this. So we're going to continue with showing Peter working with Abbey and keep going with that. And we'll show you that now.
That?
Yep.
Now?
Yep.
Cool. All right, so like I said, this is part 5 because I've actually jumped a long way. We've done part 1 and part 2. This is a lot further than I'd go normally at a third shoot with a model unless they really wanted to do this, and Abbey wanted to do this, so that's why we've jumped to part 5, which gives us a whole new hurdle of posing, making models feel comfortable. So Abbey's picked out a mood board to what she felt like doing, and a lot of the mood board was implied topless or sheer. And Abbey and I had a talk about this, and your whole thing of the implied and sheer was?
I think it's very beautiful. I think it's a work of art.
And a bit empowering of a woman to do it properly.
Definitely.
So, yeah. So this is the first time that I've worked with Abbey doing implied or topless. I normally, with somebody I'm working with, they have the option of putting tape because most women, they love cleavage, they like side boob and some like under boob. They just don't want the little bit in the middle being seen by the world. So normally a piece of tape is enough to make someone comfortable. They're still going to cover, but they're comfortable and not going to flash if that's how they are. Abbey doesn't like the tape, so she's comfortable enough with me, but she's going to keep herself covered for the shots. We can't use them, and that's not what these shots are about. I've set up some simple lighting, but it still took me, what, a half an hour to set up?
A little while.
A little while. This is still more about me working with a model to create an awesome photo than the actual photography side of things. So that's why we're not showing you the setups. A few things that I'm very aware with things, you might have seen me talk about hands. Flat hands go big either way. So sometimes just even doing that can make the hands look a lot bigger than they really are. Sides of hands work lovely, elbows are really good blockers, and they're just different things like that to move around. As soon as they touch, they're reshaping. And quite often, if they're scared, they're going to squash them awkward or pancake them out the bottom and do all of that stuff. So I normally say only just touch because then you won't reshape yourself too much. Some girls have learnt the trick about getting the nipples on their wrists and then they can move their boobs up and down, in and out, or however they like to make themselves, oh, she just realised this works.
I like that.
It's a real safety thing because that's quite a nice, relaxed sort of pose without feeling like a pose, and it allows them to just manipulate their shape a little bit. Cool?
Cool.
So I'm just going to start taking a couple of pictures. Look how uncomfortable she already looks. So I'm not even going to take a picture. So if we look at Abbey's face now, it's beautiful and comfortable. And like with the other couple of test frames, which she knew it was just testing. But we're already into a zone. Look at it, she's already into a zone. That, oh, it's a camera, it's a camera. And she's used the toes in the sand to death on a couple of commercial shoots now, so that doesn't work anymore. Now, one of the things I normally say is a really bad thing to do, deep breaths.
Oh, really?
Yep. So what do you do before you jump off the end of a pier into freezing cold water?
Take a deep breath.
What do you do just before someone shoots you?
Take a deep breath.
Right. So it's normally a sign something bad's going to happen.
But yeah.
So do the opposite.
Don't breathe.
Now come back in. See the difference? Yeah. That long, slow breath out will just relax. Now, you already know the trick, so you can start just using some of your tricks and just don't do a still, don't freeze, just start your movement. And before I even get my camera, get this nice, beautiful movement and get those eyes happening. That's really cool. That's really cool. That's relaxing down lovely. Cool. Don't try and change, just be you. Beautiful. Cool, cool. Eyes, eyes, stunning, stunning. Don't overdo the touching though. Because then it's not going to feel natural. It's like going to be, I'm washing my hands, and that's not going to give me the picture I want. That's gorgeous. Just think eyes, only eyes. Nothing more than just projecting out your eyes. Cool, cool, drift around nicely. So the problem, and Abby's already feeling this, the problem is you didn't have to worry about your hands before, did you?
Yeah.
Now it's all about the hands. That's the nice, that's really cool. Cool, cool. It didn't take you long, actually. You're now back at that picture that we've already posted. We've now got, yeah, amazing. Your eyes have just dropped back into that beautiful, these are so much better. It's amazing how you've just dropped back in to this beautiful flow again.
Better.
Yeah, so much better. So now I want to get into a fixed pose, which means we're going to come up with a pose, and I hate posing. We're going to come up with something that you do naturally.
Okay.
And instead of this all becoming your posing,
Yep.
it's just going to be this.
Okay.
This area here is fixed,
Yeah.
but everything else can drift. Cool? But treat it like a video. Cool, cool. That's pretty. So this is what I do when I want the model to restrict themselves with some of their pose. Cool, can you turn more this way? Bit more. About there, here, cool. I like that. Cool. That's really pretty. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Cool. Okay, so what are your thoughts on what we've already shot?
Okay. The lighting and everything's perfect. It's me.
What about you do you not like?
My face. It doesn't scream a mood.
What the thing I'm looking at is if I click through, except for blanky shots, see the smiley shots, look at the life in your eyes.
Yeah.
See how there's life? But when we come back to, see how nearly every picture is the same eye?
Yeah.
It's nearly like zombies. Every now and then.
Looks like I'm dead inside.
Yeah, it actually looks like you're dead inside.
Yeah.
I think you're trying too hard, but you've lost the whole thing that I tried to teach you about feel.
Yeah.
What I'm thinking is we maybe jump on to one of the other shots.
Yeah.
Or maybe even that shot.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, I'm going to quickly change the lighting. I want you to style up
Yeah.
the next look.
Yeah.
Okay, so we had a look at the pictures and both Abbey and I weren't feeling it. It just wasn't happening. We actually found out since then that Abbey gets claustrophobic in anything that's too tight on her, and this was very tight, as you can see on her, which was putting her off a bit. So it's really important. I actually said to Abbey in future, when you try stuff on, if it doesn't make you feel good, I don't want to shoot in it because it's not going to give us good pictures unless we're working commercially, and we've got no choice. So we decided to grab a sheet, and I changed the lighting to an Octa box with a bounce board, and these are a couple of test shots, but you'll see even from our first test shot, even though it's underexposed and everything, look how much prettier she feels and looks there. She's more comfortable, but she's not trying to cover. If I just click through, these are just our setup shots with me slowly moving the light a little bit each time, and you'll see this is a progression, and look how that was the final test shot, and that's pretty much nailed a shot for me, but we are going to shoot a little bit more. She's now seen this, and hopefully that's going to take her to the next level. Just going to shoot, so we've already got something which I call a cover shot or a thumbnail, but let's see if we can do better. All right? Oh, don't be nervous, you've nailed it. Cool, awesome, cool. Cool, that's, I can't believe how different. Right, so look how the difference of making a model feel comfortable. You feel much more comfortable, don't you? So awesome, beautiful. And I still want lots of drifting, lots of moving around, and doing things that make you feel good. So whenever you move, oh, that felt good. I liked what that made me feel. Don't just work one angle, so you work around. You follow me? I found the one that works. All right, no, but what I can do, but you're comfortable there, aren't you? Yeah. When you do those resets, I see it definitely in your eyes again. Fingers. relax, cool. Will this still work if you're holding it with your hand rather than having your hand, or you're trying to cover the... Am I allowed to talk about this?
You can talk about it.
So, in these pictures, her hand keeps bugging me in the shots, and I didn't really pick up on it, but if I get my zoom tool, she was telling us about this before, but because I have never seen it, she doesn't like this tattoo. All right, in the photo, the tattoo will be removed, all right? I'm just gonna let you freestyle, do whatever you like now. You can put your hands anywhere. If you want to cover your tattoo, you can cover your tattoo. If you want to, yeah, I'm just going to do a little bit and let you drift. Cool. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Beautiful. That's stunning, stunning. Stunning. Oh, that's really pretty. One thing I didn't show her this video, and I am going to show this. Do you want to come around here for a minute?
Cindy started out doing the cover, this is August of 1986, with Richard Avedon.
The thing that I loved about those Avedon covers is they were just all about the face. And I remember one of the things he taught me, which I have shared with Kaya, is like have a thought. Every time you look at that camera lens, make sure you have a thought. He goes, I don't need to know what it is, but don't have like a blank expression.
Right, this is from one of the supermodels of the world, talking about one of the top photographers in fashion ever, Avedon. The most important thing is to have that thought, to have that feeling, and it's every picture has to have, might need to be the same thought, but it needs to be a thought. Because when people then look back at the picture, they are going to fall in love with the feeling that comes off your thought. Right, cool. So do a few more on this, and then I'm just going to do a me thing to it. That's nice. That's nice. Cool, cool. You don't have to hold the thought. You can reset it and bring it back. Bang. Oh my God, does that make a difference? Because your cheeks are now sitting differently. You'll find all these things will start making your life easier for your modeling, because this is a game, isn't it now? And play it like a game, and you'll get the best shots ever, because people they'll see soul in your eyes. Stunning, 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 stunning. Nice, cool, cool. That's really pretty. So I reckon she's absolutely nailed this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add to this. So can you bring your far leg up? Can you actually get your foot up on the far one? Yeah, pull into the knee a little bit. That's stunning, stunning. That's really pretty. Cool. Now give me the thought. It's really pretty. Cool. Thoughts. Cool, cool. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. That's really pretty. Really pretty. What I'm just going to do is I want to fine tune this picture a touch more, and this is more with my camera. So I want less sheet. Now normally I'd put a longer lens on and just stay the same distance away, but I'm not finding you're worried when I'm a bit closer. If you were, I'd be putting a longer lens on and getting a closer shot. That's pretty. It's really pretty. Gorgeous eyes, stunning, 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 stunning. I think I definitely got it. I'm just gonna do one little bit of freestyling, which I did like the lighting when I was around here before. Cool, cool, cool. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. It is so pretty. I'm most likely a fraction dark, but rather than, yeah, I like it too. I'm just gonna add a bit more detail in the blacks. And because I've definitely got the other shot, I'm going to just move this light a little bit to fine tune it quickly. Cool, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah, I'm liking lots about this. Cool, cool. Beautiful, that's really pretty, that's really pretty. cool. Cool, cool, cool. There, beautiful. Beautiful. Stunning, 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 stunning. Stunning. There we are. There. Beautiful. So I'm going to find an angle. Yeah, if you can get your hand on top of the knee, that's better. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Cool. Now I'm going to do a couple. Cool. Oh, that's so pretty. Thought. That's stunning. I'm going to finish it at that. My God, that was just so pretty. Can't believe this is the second time that we've actually shot together. Number 3's coming up next. No, we've done 1 and 2, and then we just did 5. We've got to do 3 and 4. Tarantino.